Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's start with today's session. The first question is, which section in the BNSS deals with appeals related to convictions? Section 415, Section 101, Section 374 or Section 202? The correct answer is option A, Section 415. Recently, in the case Mahesh Singh Banjara vs. State of Madhya Pradesh case, the Supreme Court noted that the right to against a conviction through an appeal is a statutory right provided to the accused by Section 374 of the Criminal Procedure Code. Section 374 of the Code of Criminal Procedure deals with the appeals related to the conviction. Now, it has been mentioned under the Section 415 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. Next, what does Section 63 of the Indian Succession Act primarily deal with? Execution of privileged wills, rights of the heirs, distribution of estate, or execution of unprivileged wills? The correct answer is option D, execution of unprivileged wills. Recently, in the Gopal Krishan and others vs. Daulat Ram and others case, the Supreme Court held that unprivileged will is deemed to be executable under Section 63C of the Indian Succession Act 1925 when the attesting witnesses have witnessed the will's testator signing or affixing their mark on the will. Section 63 of the Indian Succession Act 1925 provides the provisions for execution of underprivileged wills. Next, what is the BNSS section number for alteration and allowance in maintenance orders? Section 145, Section 146, Section 147 or Section 148? The correct answer is option B, Section 146. Section 146 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita deals with the alteration and allowance in maintenance orders. Next, which section of BNSS deals with the order for maintenance of wives, children and parents? Section 144, Section 145, Section 146 or Section 147? The correct answer is option A, Section 144. Section 144 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita deals with the order for maintenance of wives, children and parents. Next, which article of the Constitution of India empowers the President to appoint an acting Chief Justice of a High Court? Article 214, Article 223, Article 224A or Article 229? The correct answer is option B, Article 223. Article 223 of the Constitution of India gives the President the authority to appoint an acting Chief Justice of a High Court. This can happen if the position of Chief Justice is vacant or if the Chief Justice is unable to carry out duties due to absence or any other reason. Before we wrap up, here's a question for you. Which article of the Constitution of India provides for the functions of Public Service Commissions? Article 320, Article 315, Article 318 or Article 323? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe for more such content.